Hello everyone. Today is question number 9 of exercise 4.5 ICSE class 9. This is, if I take 2 common in the first 2 terms, it comes out to be a cube plus 8b cube, which is again in the format of x cube plus y cube. When I take minus 5 common in the last 2 terms, it becomes a plus 2b. Now we can say that this is also in the format of a cube plus 2b whole cube, and this is also a plus 2b, which we can take common at the end. It is a cube plus 2b whole cube. This is the change of a cube plus 8b cube minus 5 and within a bracket a plus 2b. When I solve this complete, a plus 2b will come out with the first factor. The second will be the square of first term plus the square of second term minus the multiplication of 2 terms, which is x square plus y square minus xy as the factor goes. Minus 5 multiplied by a plus 2b. When I take a plus 2b as common among the 2 terms, it will be twice of a square plus 4b square minus 2ab minus 5. So these are the 2 factors for this question. Again, if I look at a cube minus 1 upon a cube minus 2a plus 2 upon a, this can be written as x cube minus y cube. And here, if I take minus 2 common, it becomes a minus 1 upon a, which is again in the same format as part 1 of question number 9. So this can be written as a minus 1 upon a as the first factor, and a square plus 1 upon a square plus 1 as the second factor, because a can be cancelled by a, minus twice of a minus 1 upon a, which is already there. So we can take a minus 1 upon a common. In the 2 terms, it is a square plus 1 upon a square plus 1 minus 2, or which can be written as a square plus 1 upon a square minus 1, which is being multiplied by a minus 1 upon a. If we look at question number 10, part 1, it is a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. This can be solved in 2 different manners. One is, we can write a cube whole square minus b cube whole square. Because we know that x square minus y square is x minus y multiplied by x plus y. So it is a cube minus b cube in the first format and a cube plus b cube in the second format. Here we will apply both the formulas, which will be a cube minus b cube as well as a cube plus b cube. So this can be written as a minus b in the first bracket, a square plus b square plus ab in the second bracket, while a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b in the first bracket and a square plus b square minus ab in the second bracket. So basically, either we can square it, or I can put it in the another way, that it is a square whole cube minus b square whole cube. If we solve this, again we will come to the same conclusion. Here also, this is same as part 1 of question number 10, x to the power 6 minus 1. I can write it as x cube whole square minus 1 cube whole square, which can be written as x cube minus 1 as the first factor and x cube plus 1 as the second factor. And if we apply the same identity, it is x minus 1 multiplied by x square plus 1 plus x, which is a factor of x cube minus 1, and x plus 1 multiplied by x square plus 1 minus x, which is the factor of x cube plus 1. If we look at this question, again, question number 10, part 1, part 2, this question, they all are almost the same questions. Here also, I can put it as 2x whole to the power 6 minus 3y whole to the power 6. As we have solved a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6, this can be treated as a and this can be treated as b. So we can write it as 2x cube whole square minus 3y cube to the whole square. And the same way as I have solved question number 10th part 1, we can put this, because this can be written as 2x cube minus 3x as the first factor and 2x whole cube plus 3y, this is y, sorry, 3y whole cube as the second factor, and then we can use this identity and write the answer. If we go at question number 11 part 2, here it is x square, but don't consider this as the quadratic or the square term, because in the denominator there is x, so if I take x common in the denominator, it becomes x cube minus 8. Now this is 1 upon x, which we can take out, and the remaining is x cube minus 2 whole cube. And x cube minus y cube identity we already know, so this is 1 upon x bracket x minus 2 into x square plus 4 plus 2x, the identity we have used here. If we look at this question, 250 is not a perfect cube, 2 is also not a perfect cube, so we can take 2 common. It comes out to be 125 a minus b whole cube plus 1. Now these have been converted to the perfect cubes. So this can be written as 5a minus b whole cube plus 1 whole cube. Again, if we use the same identity, 2 will remain constant, common, 5a minus b plus 1. This is the first factor. And the second factor is the square of 1, that is 25a plus b whole square. This is the square of 1 plus the square of second term, that is 1, plus the multiplication of 2, that is 5 of a minus b, and we can write the answer in detail, because if we open the bracket, this will come out to be 5a minus 5b plus 1, and same way we can open the bracket and write the answer in this question. Question number 12 part 2, we have to analyze that this is in the format of y cube and this is in the format of x cube. So if I take x cube common here, this will not be the perfect square, so it is better to take something common, which is like 4x cube, which we can take common, or it's better to take 8x cube as common in these two terms. The remaining will become 4a square minus b square. Same way, we have to take something common so that it will be also in the format of 4a square minus b square. So we will take minus y cube as common. This will remain 4a square minus b square. Now we already know that there are two factors, 8x cube minus y cube as one factor and 4a square minus b square as the another factor. We know the formula for x cube minus b cube. We know the formula for x square minus y square. So to the whole I can write 2x whole cube plus minus y whole cube as the first term, and the second term is 2a whole square minus b whole square. So this is in the format of x cube minus y cube, while this is in the format of x square minus y square. If something is in the format of x square minus y square, this can be written as x minus y multiplied by x plus y. And this can be opened by the formula x cube minus y cube. This will be written as 2x minus y as one factor, while 4x square plus y square minus 2xy as the another factor. So this way we can solve the questions based on the identities x cube plus y cube and x cube minus y cube. In the next class we will talk about question number 13. Thank you.